You can start turning your passion into a paycheck right now. And YouTube has literally rolled out the red carpet for creators like you. And in this video, I'm going to break down the exact strategies to monetize your small channel. And the first one lets you completely skip the line for traditional ads. So you hit 100 or 400 or 500 subscribers, and first off, that's awesome. You've got a real community, people who actually show up for your content. But here's the problem. You feel stuck, right? Like you're in YouTube's kind of waiting room, trapped somewhere between a hobby and a career. And it gets so frustrating to pour hours into shooting and editing your valuable content, only to feel like the actual paycheck is still another 500 subscribers away. Well, my friends, that feeling ends today. Okay. First things first. You need to forget the old rule about needing 1,000 subscribers to get paid. That's the old way. Doesn't apply anymore. YouTube has officially opened the doors to its revised partner program earlier, creating a new tier for creators just like you. To get in, you need 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in the last 90 days, which should be no problem, and then either 3,000 public watch hours in the past year or 3 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. Now, let's be crystal clear. This tier doesn't turn on ad revenue. That still kicks in once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Instead, you unlock something that, with a small and loyal audience, is arguably even more powerful, and that is fan funding. You get access to features like channel memberships, super chat, super stickers, and super thanks. And this isn't some far off promise. It sets up the tools that you can use to start earning from your biggest supporters immediately. And unlocking these tools is one thing. Actually making money with them is another. So let's break it down so it's not so intimidating. Okay. Channel memberships are where your fans pay a small monthly fee for cool exclusive perks. Don't overcomplicate this. Your perks can be as simple as members only community posts, getting to see your videos before anyone else, or a monthly live Q&A session just for your members. And your goal is to offer a little something extra that makes your community feel even more special. Then you have super chat, super stickers, and super thanks, which are basically different ways for your audience to tip you. Best place to encourage this is during live streams. When you're live, viewers can use super chat to pay a few bucks to make their message stand out in the chat. You can make it fun by setting goals during the stream, like, hey, super chat goal to fund my next coffee, get on it. And it gives people a tangible reason to chip in. Super thanks works the same way, but on your regular video uploads, it's like a virtual tip jar. Think of it that way. And if you're finding this helpful and you're ready to stop waiting and start earning, do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. This channel is all about giving small-time creators actionable advice that actually works. We've got a lot more coming. Free downloadable worksheets are listed in the description. I encourage you to check those out. So even with these new rules, you should never, ever rely on just one income stream. The smartest small channels build a business around their content, and these next 2 strategies are things you can start doing today, no matter how many subscribers you have, even if you only have 100. First up is affiliate marketing. And this is just a fancy way to say you earn a commission for recommending products that you use and love. So if you have a channel about tech, you can put affiliate links in your description for your favorite keyboard, mouse, microphone. When someone buys through your link, you get a small cut at no extra cost to them. It's a total win-win. And second, you can sell your own digital products or services. And this sounds way scarier than it is. Thanks to YouTube Shopping, you can unlock at 500 subs and you can link your own products directly to your videos. If you're a fitness creator, you could sell a simple PDF workout plan. Or if you're a genius at video editing, you could sell a pack of your custom presets. And this method gives you 100% control of your income. And as you're trying to grow, just remember this: YouTube is cracking down on soulless, mass-produced AI content. Don't do it. Don't get involved with that, man. Your unique personality and your voice are your biggest strengths. So double down on what makes you, you. And that's your real competitive advantage. And if you want to hit those watch time and shorts view requirements faster, really focus on using some YouTube shorts. They are incredible for getting new subscribers. You can then point all that new traffic towards your longer videos where you will make your money. So the road to making money with your passion is no longer blocked by that 1,000 subscriber wall. You can start monetizing right now, and I encourage you to. And the game plan is simple. Get into the 500 subscriber YouTube Partner Plan tier to unlock those powerful fan funding tools, then start diversifying your income with affiliate marketing in your own products. And those 500 subscribers, they aren't just a number, man. They are your community. And that community is the foundation of building a real profitable channel. And now that you know how to monetize, the next step is getting the watch hours or shorts views you need to qualify. And I've got videos in the works to do just that. So be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you next time around. Ladies and gentlemen, go out and do something great for yourself and someone else. Have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.